Listen up, soldier. Studying isn't just about sitting down and flipping through a textbook. It's a battle, and I'm going to teach you how to win. You know how the Covenant used to come at us in waves? We had to be smart, tactical, and stay focused. It's the same with studying. The enemy here is distraction, and I've got a strategy to beat it: the Pomodoro technique. Think of it like this. You're on a mission, and you've got 25 minutes to accomplish your objective. You're going to give it your all, because that's what Spartans do. After that, you take a 5-minute break to recharge your shields. That's 1 Pomodoro. You repeat this process 3 more times, and then take a longer 15-minute break. Just like how the Spartan 2 program made us Spartans faster and stronger, the Pomodoro technique will make you study more effectively. Now let's talk about another tactic for managing your time: time boxing. It's like a tactical formation for your schedule. You create a plan and dedicate a set amount of time to each task, whether it's studying, exercising, or taking breaks. It helps you stay on track and maintain focus by providing structure and deadlines. Here's how to integrate time boxing with the Pomodoro technique. Schedule a 2-hour study session in your day. During this 2-hour time box, use the Pomodoro technique by setting a timer for 25 minutes of focused studying. After the 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Repeat the process 3 more times, and then take a 15-minute break. Continue with your day, moving on to the next time box. By combining time boxing with the Pomodoro technique, you're creating a powerful strategy that maximizes your focus and productivity while keeping your energy levels high. Each study session should begin with a review of previously learned material. It's like checking your gear before heading into battle. After that, focus on learning new information and creating flashcards to help recall it. When making effective flashcards, keep these tips in mind. Be concise. Write only 1 question or term per card and keep the answers brief. Use visuals. Incorporate diagrams or drawings to help solidify the concepts. Stay organized. Group related cards together to create a logical flow. Now, let's talk about tackling textbooks and identifying key information. When you dive into a textbook, think of it as recon. You need to scout the terrain and identify important points. Start by reading the chapter's introduction, section headings, and conclusion. This will give you an overview of what you're about to learn, just like a mission briefing. As you read, highlight or take notes on essential concepts, definitions, and examples. Keep an eye out for terms in bold or italics, as well as any charts, graphs, or illustrations. These are your targets, soldier. Now let's talk about retaining information. You remember how Cortana used to provide us with vital intel on the battlefield? She was crucial to our success. Well, you need something similar when it comes to retaining knowledge. That's where spaced repetition comes in. Spaced repetition means reviewing the material at specific intervals. It's like fighting one skirmish at a time, learning from it, and coming back stronger the next time. This way, you're not just memorizing facts, but making them a part of your arsenal. You'll become a more efficient learner, and that's something even the Covenant couldn't stand up to. To employ spaced repetition effectively, you need the right tools. First up, flashcards. Just like the trusty MA5 assault rifle, flashcards are a classic tool that won't let you down. You can make them yourself with good old-fashioned paper, or use digital flashcards if you prefer. Next, we've got Anki. Think of it as your personal AI, like Cortana, but for studying. Anki is a free and open-source digital flashcard app that uses a smart algorithm to help you review material at the perfect intervals. You input the information you want to learn, and Anki takes care of the rest. Finally, there's Memrise. Memrise is like a warthog, versatile and adaptable. It's an app that combines flashcards, spaced repetition, and some gamification elements to make learning more engaging. It has pre-made courses for a variety of subjects, or you can create your own. So, let's recap. When you're gearing up for a study session, use the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus and stay efficient. Tackle textbooks effectively by identifying key information and create flashcards to help recall it. Begin each session with a review, and then dive into new material. Utilize spaced repetition to retain information, and arm yourself with the right tools. With these strategies, you'll be unstoppable. Now, get out there and show that exam who's boss. Make me proud, soldier.